This showroom adapter kit is only for installation on FireMagic EL500 electric grills. This kit is designed to convert the electric grill from 240 volts to the standard 120 volt household wall receptacle and to disable the heating elements for safe showroom demonstration. Installation is only to be done by a qualified professional service technician. Ensure the power switch on the grill is in the off position. Slide the drip tray outward partially to allow enough space to access the nuts that are securing the control panel. Loosen the nuts underneath the left and right sides of the control panel with the included 11/32 end of the wrench. Then, lift the control panel until it's freed from the screws. Carefully rest the bottom of the control panel on the drip tray. The top portion of the control panel is supported by the internal chains. For single control models, locate and disconnect the red wire labeled Relay. Then, take a quick connect jumper that comes included in this kit and install it to the end of the red wire as shown. For dual control models, locate the panel mount relay and disconnect the red wire labeled Relay. Then, take the red quick connect jumper that comes included in this kit and install it to the end of the red wire as shown. Repeat this process for the second control module. Using the included 1/4 inch end of the wrench, remove the junction box located on the rear of the electric grill. Save the junction box for when it's time to restore the unit back to its original function. Take the new power cord with junction box assembly and connect the wires to the ceramic terminal block using a flathead screwdriver. Reference the diagram on the screen for proper connections. Ensure all wire connections are fully secure, then fasten the junction box to the grill using the included 1/4 inch wrench. Take the end of the power cord and plug it into a properly wired power outlet and test the unit. Carefully align the bottom left and right slots of the control panel to the bolts with nuts on the unit. Then, align and insert the top left and right screws on the unit to the keyholes found on the upper portion of the control panel. Make sure that the sides are flush to the unit. Then, slide the control panel downward to ensure the gasket forms a proper seal along the top, providing protection against wet weather. If needed, adjust the top screws for a tighter fit. Fully secure the bottom nuts using the included wrench. The electric grill is now safe to be used for showroom demonstration.